Japan's cool breasts won't let the most powerful cleaning robot, Roomba, make it over. In this Cool Japai, we included how Roomba runs towards Japan's cool breasts on a special experimental board which has a breasts plug-in. Please take a look at the fortress-like toughness of Japan's cool breasts. Japan's cool A cup. Japan's cool B cup. Japan's cool D cup. Japan's cool F cup. Japan's cool P cup. As you can see, Japan's cool breasts set aside even the most powerful cleaning robot, Roomba. There are about 60 million cool contents like this in Japan, other than cartoon films, idols, and Japanese food. We hope you'll come to Japan and see for yourself. Breasts in Japanese is oppai. Japai is a combination of the words for Japan and oppai. The attractions of Japanese culture are not just cartoon films or Japanese food. We think that breasts are Japan's real world-class content. This is a program of the Japanese people by the Japanese people to convey Japan's cool breasts to the world. We'll show you in total 10 videos examining how cool Japan's breasts are. Which cool breasts would you like to see?